Hello and welcome to another video for all job candidates and career enthusiasts, where I continue my efforts to help you shine and stand out in your pursuit of moving forward in your professional careers. This video is not just special, it's a treasure of rarely explored yet highly impactful skill keywords that will set your resume, social profiles, and your business portfolios miles apart from the average. It's not only the words used to describe the skills, but it is the combination of these words that make it so impactful. We will move on to the screen to check out these special skills, and I request you to kindly share this video with your contacts because these are not run-of-the-mill buzzwords. Trust me, you will not find this level of uniqueness anywhere else. In today's part 1 of 2, I am revealing 22 game-changing skill sets that are strategic tools to elevate your professional persona. And it is up to you to pick the ones tailored for your career path and the jobs that you are targeting. So let's get into it.
Strategic acumen, mastering the art of long-term planning and visionary thinking to drive success.
Adaptive innovation, swiftly adapting to new trends and technologies to innovate and stay ahead.
Cognitive flexibility, quickly shifting perspectives and approaches to solve complex problems.
Emotional intelligence, harnessing emotions to build strong relationships and navigate diverse situations.
Meta-learning, rapidly acquiring new skills and knowledge by learning how to learn effectively.
Transdisciplinary thinking, integrating diverse knowledge and methodologies across disciplines for holistic solutions.
Boundaryless collaboration, working seamlessly across teams, cultures, and geographical boundaries. Exponential resilience, bouncing back and thriving in the face of constant change and adversity.
Intuitive decision-making, making sound judgments based on intuition and data-driven insights.
Narrative intelligence, crafting compelling stories to captivate audiences and convey complex ideas.
Virtual project management, efficiently managing projects in virtual or remote settings, ensuring seamless coordination.
Behavioral economics, understanding human behavior to drive decision-making and optimize outcomes.
Adaptive leadership, guiding teams through uncertainty and change with agile and empathetic leadership.
Experience design, creating immersive and user-centric experiences across various platforms.
Complex problem resolution, analyzing intricate issues to develop innovative and effective solutions.
Cultural fluency, navigating diverse cultural landscapes with sensitivity and understanding.
Ethical advocacy, championing ethical practices and social responsibility in all endeavors.
Data storytelling, communicating complex data in a compelling and understandable narrative.
Futuristic thinking, anticipating future trends and opportunities to drive proactive strategies. Strategic risk management, identifying and mitigating risks while capitalizing on emerging opportunities.
Interdisciplinary communication, effectively conveying complex concepts across different fields and disciplines.
Human-centered design, creating solutions rooted in deep empathy for end users' needs and experiences.
Thanks again for watching, and remember, sharing is caring. Don't keep this treasure all to yourself. Let's empower everyone in their professional endeavors. See you in part 2.